Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be sowing these Mr. Fothergill Zinnia, early wonder, easy to grow, vibrant blooms, so March, May, flowers July, October. So let's just have a quick look. Get in the instructions here. 100 seeds, half-hard annual, flowers the same year as sown, easy to grow, large showy flowers in vibrant colours, stunning in borders and as lasting cut flowers. They're sows indoors March, April, sow outdoors April, May, plant out May, June, flowers July, August, September, October. Sow outdoors, there we go. Ready out to flower, 0.1 centimetre, quarter of an inch deep, directly into finely prepared soil, which has already been watered. Seedlings usually appear in 14 to 28 days. Thin seedlings to 30 centimetre, 1 inch apart. Water well until plants are established. Or sow indoors in trays of compost, water well, blaze, blah, blah. Keep moist, transplant seedlings 5 centimetres, 2 inches apart, to other trays when large enough to handle. Always hold seedlings by a leaf, never by the stem. Gradually accustom young plants to outside conditions. Avoid frost before planting it out. 30 centimetres, a foot apart when frost or we'll frost it over. So let's get this open, shall we? Have a look inside. Thank you for bearing with me a little bit here, folks. Right, need to move this out of the way so I can get a bit closer. So about this, folks. And here we go. It says, yeah, I'm using a peat-based compost, folks. I know a lot of people don't want me to use peat, but I buy that much compost that when the price comes down with the peat-free stuff, I shall definitely cross over and do my bit for the environment. But at the moment, I can buy 20 or 30, 125 litre bags a year, and it's a lot of money for me, so to transfer over at the moment. Right, that's just that. That's got a bit of feed in it, by the way, this. As you can see, it's got a really good crumb, really good texture. Smells really nice. I know that sounds daft, but smell of good compost and good soil is delightful. Right, let's get this open now, shall we? And let's see. Yep, so by 2024. So I shall just rip it. One thing I will tell you about seeds, yet never took any notice of that. As long as they're kept correctly, you should have seeds that last 10-20 years. So yeah, let's just have a look at these, shall we? Bit breezy here, I hope the windows are blowing them away. But yeah, I hope everybody's keeping well. These are my zinnias, and I want to start collecting my own seeds from these. See there? Nice. I'll do it, put them back in there, just while I sort out my tray of compost. What I tend to do is get it there, spread it evenly. You want about ½ an inch from the top, and then use a piece of wood, nice flat piece of wood. Give it a good tap down so it's all level, so you've got a nice even surface. You can just put another piece of wood, stick it on top of there, you've got a little handle, just makes it a lot easier. Right, that's the soil nicely padded down. Just get the seeds now. I'll be with you in a second. There's 100 seeds here, so what you want to do, you want to try and make sure that you get them nice and even. You don't want them too close together if you can avoid it. So yeah, let's open these, shall we? I mean, I could even sow half now and half later, but I'll sow more now because I'm really running out of room, so I don't want to be using 2 trays really. And get in there. Sorry about this, folks. You want to get them in the centre of your hand. This is how I do it, and then just with your other hand, just gently, not too near the edge, but near enough. And just give them a quick, get the last lot in. And then just give them a good mix up like that. That's all I do. Try and spread them out nice and evenly. And then ½ centimetre of soil, I like to just rub it in between my hands so you get a nice thin crumb, breaks many big bits. Like so. And then all you need to do is, I can add a little watering can here. It's my hose. Wouldn't be without it, it's great. And just gently across the top, like so. Just to get the top wet. And then all I will do after this, I will put them in the sink or another tray full of water until they all get, the compass is nice and wet all the way through. And I should put them somewhere nice and warm and bright. And the seed should appear between 14 and 28 days. If you've got any questions regarding how to grow zinnias, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, folks, and please keep safe. Bye.